Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. 5 days ago, I made this chicken dish for dinner, and I was just using up stuff that I had lying around the house. Well, my husband Eric, he's around here somewhere, he loved it so much that he asked me if I would make it again tonight, 5 days later, for dinner. He just had a craving for it. And so I said, well then this must be filmable stuff. So here you go. So I am grilling 2 chicken breast halves. And all I did was put a generous amount of salt and pepper on them. So I'm grilling them, and as you can see, they're very large, very fat, very good looking. So I'm going to get those grilling, and then I can make this very special topping for them. This looks like kind of a bowl of dirt. But what I did was I took 6 ounces of white mushrooms, removed the stems, cleaned them up, and then I food processed them until they were very fine. So that's 6 ounces of basically ground mushrooms. I'm going to add some garlic, a couple cloves of minced garlic. Then I'm going to add some cheese. Gruyere cheese is one of my favorites. So this is a cup of Gruyere cheese. So we kind of mix all that together. And then, of course, we need some moisture with this. So I have a half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to add that. And that is my topping. My gosh, I almost forgot. Marsala wine. This will add such great flavor to this. And I think Marsala wine goes great with mushrooms and Gruyere cheese. So we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of Marsala. Oh boy. That'll work. We just wait for the chicken. Well, finally, these guys look done. They're so giant. By the way, you can do this, you can roast the chicken in the oven too. You can do it all year round. It just happens to be a beautiful evening, so we're doing it outside. Now I'm going to put this mushroom Gruyere topping all over the top of it. We'll put the top down just for that cheese to melt. And you may note that I've made extra because boil up some pasta, stir this into it. It's absolutely delicious. So this is kind of 2 meals in one. Oh yeah. This is perfect. now I once again get to taste this fabulous Gruyere mushroom chicken dish. Now wait a minute. My husband is the one who went crazy over this, so he should be doing the tasting, don't you agree?
What if I don't like it?
Well,
Oh, that's right. We already had it.
compared to 5 days ago?
All right. Still as good as it was 5 days ago.
All right.
Can we have this on pancakes tomorrow? I just want to have this every day for some reason or other.